Today, I'll be going over how and where to measure the tread depth on a tire for a semi-truck to ensure safety and compliance on the road. During your pre-trip inspection, you should check your tire's tread depth, pressure, and overall condition each and every time. According to the Department of Transportation regulations, the minimum tread depth on a semi-truck is 4/32 of an inch for your steer tires, 2/32 of an inch for your drive and trailer tires. To get an accurate reading, check the tire tread depth in multiple spots around each tire. Paying close attention to both inner and outer edges. Tires that fail to meet these criteria are considered unsafe for the road. The main way to check your tread depth is by using a tire depth gauge. Here's how to do it. Place the probe of the gauge into the tread groove. Make sure the gauge is perpendicular to the tire to get an accurate reading. Press the gauge's shoulders flat against the tread. This will push the scale inside the gauge's body outward, showing the tread depth. Pull it out and check the reading. Using a tire tread depth gauge gives you precise measurement and ensures your tires are safe and legal. If you don't have a tire depth gauge, you can use a penny to perform a quick check. Here's how you do it. Hold the penny so Lincoln's head is facing down. Choose a tread groove and insert the penny. If any part of Lincoln's head is covered by the tread, your tires are probably above the minimum. But if you can see the top of Lincoln's head, the tread depth does not meet the necessary requirements. While a penny test is a useful check, it's not as precise as using an actual tire tread depth gauge. This should not be your sole method of inspection. If your tire tread depth is below the minimum requirement, it's important that you replace the tires as soon as possible to ensure the safety of the truck and compliance with regulations. Make sure to review your company guidelines or speak with your leader for more information about addressing tire issues. That completes our tutorial on checking tire tread depth. If you're looking to join a company that's invested in driver safety, check out schneiderjobs.com or call 1-800-44-PRIDE. As always, remember to like the video, subscribe to get even more truck driver content.